Hi, I'm Jeanette Caines. I'm the author of Soldering Demystified from Jewelry Arts Inc. in New York City, and I'm here to share a few tips and tricks that are going to help you in your soldering. For when I want solder balls, I'm going to place them right on my nice solderite board. I'm not going to bother to flux them, and I'm just going to heat them very quickly. If you do that, they really don't oxidize very much at all, and they're perfect and they're ready to use. What you wouldn't want to do is heat them slowly. If you do that, let me show you with this example. What tends to happen is they get kind of shrivelly and black, like that. If you see your solder looking like that, all that means is you didn't heat it quickly enough. Discard them and just heat them quickly and they'll work perfectly.